Ashes to ingenuity, the fire that built civilization. Picture a world without fire, no light to guide our way through the night, no warmth to fend off the cold, and every meal would be raw. Now, imagine the moment humans first learned to harness its incredible power. Fire was the catalyst for much more than survival. It gave rise to transformative inventions and techniques that would shape the future of humanity. Join us as we explore how fire revolutionized everything from food preparation to forging tools, and how these innovations paved the way for modern human life. The discovery of fire. From natural flames to human control. Fire's earliest appearances were the result of natural forces, lightning strikes, volcanic eruptions, and sparks from friction. But humans quickly realized the potential of these wild flames. Soon after, early humans learned to harness these flames. They likely began by keeping natural fires, such as those sparked by lightning, burning by adding fuel and tending to or sustaining the flames. Archaeological evidence from Wonderwork Cave in South Africa shows that as early as 1 million years ago, humans were able to start and control fires deliberately. They may have used simple methods like striking stones to create sparks or using friction between wood to start a flame. Mastering fire was a game changer. It provided warmth, protection from predators, and a means of cooking food. Learning to control fire marked the dawn of humanity's ability to manipulate nature, and this mastery opened doors to innovations that revolutionized life. The invention of cooking. Fire meets food. Cooking as a game changer. One of the earliest uses of fire was cooking, which transformed raw ingredients into digestible, nutrient-rich meals. Archaeological evidence. Charred bones and plant matter found at prehistoric sites, such as Wonderwork Cave in South Africa, show early humans were cooking their food over 1 million years ago. Nutritional benefits. Cooking unlocked essential nutrients in food that were otherwise difficult to access, supporting brain development and physical health. Brain development. The increased energy efficiency of cooked food helped fuel the growth of larger brains, which played a key role in human evolution. Social and cultural impact. Fire didn't just nourish the body, it also helped form social bonds, as cooking and sharing meals became a key part of human interaction and cultural development. Tools and weaponry. Shaping stone and metal with heat. Fire's heat allowed early humans to harden wooden tools, shape stone implements, and eventually smelt metals, drastically improving their ability to craft advanced and modernized equipment and weapons. Stone Age techniques. During the Stone Age, fire was used to create sharper, more durable tools by heating rocks like flint, allowing for more precise cutting and hunting. Over time, fire also facilitated the discovery of metallurgy, leading to the development of bronze and iron. For example, plows and axes made from bronze allowed for more efficient clearing of land and harvesting crops. In warfare, the smelting of iron, starting around 1200 BCE, led to the creation of stronger weapons, such as swords, spears, and armor, significantly altering military strategies. Fire also played a role in creating pottery, which was essential for storage and trade, further advancing human societies. This evolution enhanced hunting, protection, and efficiency in daily life. These innovations laid the groundwork for the future technological revolution and progress, aiding the dynamic of humanity. Social and cultural impact. Fire as a social catalyst. Bringing people together. Fire brought people together, creating spaces for sharing stories, food, and ideas around a communal flame, forming the foundation of early human social interaction. Cultural beginnings. Around fire, rituals, dances, and oral traditions flourished. These firelit gatherings allowed people to pass down history, teachings, and cultural practices, shaping the fabric of early societies. Extended time for interaction. Fire extended the day, providing extra hours for collaboration, learning, and creativity. This not only strengthened community ties but also symbolized connection, intertwining of intellect, and the shared experience that fueled human advancement. Could our cities, technologies, or even our societies exist without the very fire that started it all? Think about how much of our world hinges on this ancient spark. If you're fascinated by how ancient discoveries shaped our world, hit like, share this video, and subscribe to join us on a journey through history's greatest breakthroughs.